Hey guys, if you're looking for a nice outdoor chair that doesn't hurt the back of your legs like the regular ones with an X on the front, you might want to check this one out by Fandango. I ordered this one and I'm impressed with it. Let me show you. Look how small that is. I was impressed with that. You know, the regular ones, you know, it's like that tall. They fold up, but this is flat like a little suitcase. Now, let me show you this. Look how easy this thing is. Just pull that out, pull that apart a little bit. This will flip up, and you pull these handles down here on the bottom, locks down into place, and you are set. And what I was talking about is that, you know, they're an X like that, so the pieces right here hit the back of your legs, like right here. You know, which is fine for a little while, but if you're out in this thing all day or for any length of time, this is a lot nicer. You have your tray over here, put your cup on, your phone on, still a phone slot right here. There's a pocket right over here. Look at that, there's a zipper pocket right there. Put whatever you need, like a wallet or whatever you need to. If you're fishing, you can put your fishing pliers right there. And I'll tell you what, this is a nice chair. And this does touch your legs, but them other ones like that, they hurt my legs. I tried 3 or 4 different ones and they all hurt. This one doesn't. And it's comfortable. These are got a little bit of pad in them. The seat's got some padding. The back's got padding. It folds up. Well, you saw how short it is. It's a little wide, but that's not a big deal. Slide it up under stuff or whatever. Anyway, if you're in the market for an outdoor chair, you might want to check this one out by Fandango. I put the measurements right down here. I don't have a tape measure with me, but when I edit the video, I'll show you what the measurements are, and way you'll know. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Maybe something else in there that you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.